Here's a question that trips up almost every new investor: should you invest all your money at once, or spread it out over time? Investing a fixed amount on a regular schedule, say every payday, is called dollar cost averaging. You buy more units when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, so you never have to guess the perfect moment to jump in. For most Canadians with a steady paycheck, this happens naturally, and it builds a powerful habit. But here's the surprising part. Research from Vanguard found that investing a lump sum all at once actually beats spreading it out over a year about 2/3 of the time, simply because markets rise more often than they fall. So why does dollar cost averaging still make sense? Because it removes emotion, softens the sting of bad timing, and keeps you invested when markets get scary. Whichever you choose, hold your investments inside a tax-free savings account, with $7,000 of new room in 2026, so every dollar of growth stays tax-free. This is education, not advice. Figures current as of 2026. Always check the latest figures with an official source.